Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. How much will 10 million Shiba Inu coins be worth by 2025? Shiba Inu coins' worth is increasing day by day, but have you wondered how much will it be in 2025? At the beginning of this year, the whole crypto world saw a massive dip. Ethereum lost thousands in value, Bitcoin lost triple its amount, and their prices dropped by half in the mid of January. Well, it wasn't only the kings of the market, but the whole market, including Shiba Inu, saw its price drop from $40 million down to $17 million and shocked the traders and investors. But it didn't take SHIB much time, and it's back on the rise lately. In this video, we will talk about Shiba Inu's worth in the coming 5 years. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. While the whole market was experiencing a massive downfall, Shiba Inu slowly regained its position and began to rise. Once again, people talked about SHIB's potential and saw the crypto skyrocket soon. The price of Shiba Inu has been fluctuating from the mid-20 million to the low 30 millionths of a dollar. It has been significant development since January when it has crashed all the ways down to just 17 millionths of a dollar. But this wasn't as it was back through the 30 million range last week. The coin does seem to have the beneficiary of some very bullish behavior on the part of the whales, and the coin just became the most traded coin in the world for the top 1,000 whales on the ERC20 network. It shows that the token is famous among the whales and is a canine currency. Ethereum has a high fee at the moment, which is why so many dApps are launching on other networks. That is why Shiba Inu is preparing to launch its own project where investors would benefit its investors and traders. But the question is, will Shiba Inu reach the highest mark till 2025? There are chances that Shiba Inu will reach over 1 cent by 2025. And Shibarium will help it reach that target. Shibarium is going to be incredibly beneficial for Shiba Inu. The entire cryptocurrency space market is becoming more and more legit in the eyes of the public, especially with certain governments flexing on how they can take your money even if you disagree with them. It becomes increasingly necessary for cryptocurrencies to show some real-world application. They need to use them for something besides just being a stock that goes up and down. Like many of its detractors, Shiba Inu began as just a meme coin based on Dogecoin, a parody of Bitcoin. People expect it to float around in obscurity and wait for it to become irrelevant, which didn't happen with SHIB. The development team is committed to changing and improving the entire crypto space differently. Shiba Inu is a beneficiary here of an enormous amount of goodwill and also a boatload of projects that are going to be helping it out. It's running on Ethereum. Ethereum has highly complex blockchain because of its current design. The proof-of-work model that it uses relies on miners and powerful mining PC rigs to perform the calculations to verify transactions. This causes enormous suctions of power from the grid and takes longer, making transactions slow, unfriendly to the environment, and crucially far too expensive to be feasible to most investors. The gas prices you have to pay are ridiculous, outweighing even the value of what you're trading. The complicated Ethereum blockchain has led many investors and traders to leave the platform, and the creator of Ethereum is well aware of it. This is why he is working on replacing proof of work with another model for Ethereum 2.0. The new model is proof of stake and centers around people staking their tokens into the chain's liquidity pool to facilitate and verify transactions. It's a great way to yield rewards for the stakers, similarly to how miners accumulate coins, but also it results in fast and more environmentally friendly transactions. SHIB's dev team is working really hard and testing one of its most significant projects, Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain edition that can exist on top of Ethereum's chain. The Shibarium will be offering all of the same improvements that we can expect from Ethereum 2.0, but without waiting so long for Ethereum to make it happen. Shiba Inu has a lot of liquidity, and the future will tell whether it's excellent for producing efficient transactions or not. The creation and implementation of Shibarium will help SHIB become one of the most viable coins in the world, giving it actual value as a means of conducting transactions, which will cause the price to improve. The price will rise, but it won't get much closer by 2025. Shiba Inu's supply currently stands at a completely insane 550 trillion tokens, Previously doubled, even that is the single biggest thing holding the price back from really shooting to the moon. A large number of SHIB tokens need to be burned so that tokens will be taken out of circulation. Several million coins are burned every day, but the burn rate is shallow. On February 14th, a burn party was organized to burn millions of SHIB tokens. While burn alone is not enough, such events sustain the interest of investors in Shiba Inu. There are 549,063 billion SHIB coins in circulation at the moment. Shiba Inu is likely to launch a burn portal to speed up the process of burn. Shiba Inu on January 1st was trading over $0.00003342. However, since then, Shiba Inu has been not touched that price only once. The massive sell-off has resulted in Shiba Inu crashing multiple times. Shiba Inu is down by over 20% in the last 2 months. Shiba is an altcoin, implying that a strong community is required for the success of Shiba. Fortunately for the Shiba ecosystem, it is backed by a strong community, and it had over 43 more million views than Bitcoin in 2021. For Shiba Inu to rise again and achieve an all-time high, it is imperative that the bulls of this community back it. Recently, Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi wrote that he feels scared that people will stop trading Shiba Inu if removed from the Ethereum blockchain. However, with every transaction costing $9 on this blockchain, it makes little sense to continue trading on the Ethereum blockchain. Also, Shiba Inu faces stiff resistance from new projects such as Evergrow, a project with solid fundamentals and a strong team and much cheaper valuations of $500 million approximately. So, Shiba has many positives, but it faces a risky year ahead as valuations are too high, and the introduction of an independent blockchain poses an obstacle that needs to be tackled carefully. At a $0.01 value, the market cap of Shiba Inu will be roughly $5.89 trillion, which is approximately 10 times more than Ethereum itself, on whose blockchain it is dependent. The market cap will be 3 times more than Apple APL and 5 times more than Tesla TSLA, 10 times more than Bitcoin. If Shiba Inu reaches a 1-cent valuation with a market cap of $5.89 trillion, it'll be more than what the US government raises in annual taxation, over $4 trillion. As SHIB is based on Ethereum ERC20, it does not make sense that Shiba Inu's market cap can surpass Ether's market cap. To meet the 1-cent target, a significant number of SHIB coins will have to be burnt. Shiba Inu is gathering momentum from a technical perspective, and investors are adopting a buy-on-dip strategy. We all know that the whole cryptocurrency is down because of Russian invasion of Ukraine. It's not only Shiba Inu, but every other crypto, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, is experiencing a dip. If the conflict comes to an end soon, it is expected that everything will go regular. We all hope that this will improve the falling economy of the whole world, including the crypto trading market. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.